from last summer. It's raining.
Okay, Vince, here's a little number I wrote called Enchanted Guitar.
And don't forget, coming up in just 10 minutes, it's the big hand jive contest! So, if you've got a steady, get her ready.
So, Danny, you can be my partner for the dance contest?
Maybe if nothing better comes along.
Prom dead! Oh, sorry.
Why don't you let me leave for a change?
I can't help it, I'm just asleep. Hey, could you at least like turn me around or something?
Don't talk, I'm trying to count.
Danny, how'd the track tryouts go?
Mid-teen.
Oh, wonderful! Hey, Zuko, I think she's trying to tell you something. Go on, dance with her. You'll need no good.
Hey, Jim, see Betty Rizzo over there? She says you look like Pat Boone. What?
What do you say, Fruit Boots?
I understand you were asking about me.
Yeah, I was wondering where you parked your hearse. I never knew you were such a fabulous dancer, Danny. So sensuous and feline.
Yeah.
we didn't have a bingo game that night.
Pardon me. Were you a contestant in the Miss Universe rock and roll competition?
Yeah, but I got disqualified because I had a hickey on my necklace.
Hey, Vince, any more requests?
Yeah, play anything.
Anything.
Yeah. Anything.
Okay, it's a little tune called Anything.
I can't imagine you ever having danced with Sandy like this.
What do you mean?
Well, I mean with her being so clumsy and all. She can't even twirl a baton right. In fact, I'm thinking about having a little talk with the coach about her.
Look, why do you care?
Well, I mean, even you have to admit she's a bit of a trip. Well, isn't that why you broke up with her?
Look, she used to be a halfway decent chick before she got mixed up with you and your round-nosed friends.
Where you been? Can I get the submarine races?
I had to go downtown to pick up a date.
Do you like dancing?
Crazy.
It's been really nice talking to you, Betty.
Yeah, I'll see you around the bookmobile.
Oh.
Okay.
Hey, Roger, will you do me a glass of wine?
What's the matter? You're crippled?
I'm Vince Fontaine. Do your parents know I come into your room every night? Over wax. I'm judging the dance competition. Are you gonna be in it?
I guess not. I ain't gonna date.
What? A knockout like you? Things sure have changed since I went to school last year.
Hey, did you come here to dance, didn't you?
Well, of course. But I never learned how to do this dance.
There's nothing to it. I'm gonna take the ballroom and the CYO. One, two, cha-cha-cha. 3, 4, cha-cha-cha. Very good, cha-cha-cha. Keep it up, cha-cha-cha.
You certainly did it well.
Thanks. You can always come right here. I don't mind you.
Thank you! This is Johnny Casino telling you, when you hear the tone, it'll be exactly 1 minute to hand jive time.
Excuse me, it's been really nice meeting you.
Hey, wait a minute. Don't you want my phone number or something?
Patty, you promised to be my partner for the dance contest, remember?
That's right. I almost forgot.
Oh.
Hey, Arissa, I'm ready to dance with you now.
Don't strain yourself. I'm dancing with Kaneki.
That's all right, Zuko. You can have my date. Hey, Charlene, come here.
Yeah, what do you want?
How'd you like to dance this next one with Danny Zuko?
The big rod of the Burger Palace boys? I didn't even know he saw me come in here.
I didn't.
Okay, alligators, here it is. The big one. The hand jive dance! Let's get things underway by bringing down our very own Miss Lynch.
Before we begin, I'd like to welcome you all to Moonlight in the Tropics. And I do think we owe a big round of applause to
jocks hang out. Yeah. If you're having fun, you're number one! And some lucky guy and gal is gonna go bopping home with a stack of terrific prizes. But don't be sad if I bump yous out, because it don't matter if you win or lose. It's what you do with those dancing shoes. So